Hi guys, welcome to another video Shiba Inu coin daily. How to use Shiba Inu? You can buy Shiba Inu from crypto exchanges like Binance or Coinbase too. These exchanges will enable you to open a wallet with the theme. Once your account is set up, you can buy as many tokens via wire transfer. Voila, it's that simple. You don't necessarily have to be a crypto miner to mint the coin of your choice. However, a better way to procure a Shiba token is through Shiba Swap. The native website of Shiba Inu lays out how you can alternatively add your 𝗱𝗵𝗶 into your holdings. Create a MetaMask wallet for starters. Now send ETH to your MetaMask wallet. Now connect your wallet to the Shiba Swap. Swap your ETH for Shiba and you are done. Shiba Inu can be used for payments of goods and services wherever the crypto is sanctioned. There are at least 11 major merchants that accepted Shiba Inu including Twitch and Sling TV. Through BitPay, you can even buy gift cards using Shiba Inu coins for popular shops including Walmart, Uber, Xbox, Airbnb, Google, Amazon, BookMyShow, 𝗬𝗵𝗿, etc. SHIB is also available across 4,000 plus ATMs. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe the channel.